You've been a very good boy this year to me. I'm gonna go out and record Randy in Chaos Adventure and also record good music on. Every year you're gonna do that. Okay, Randy, here's some chaos. Oh, Randy, in the food, okay, go love it, go love it. Let's try it up now. Good up, will you make a nose go for Timmy? Cause he loves this every year. Have a wonderful Christmas. Have a great Christmas, brother. We love you. Enjoy the new sleeper. It's so feedback, remember. I love the climate Santa, the place, all kinds of Christmas music. I love it. It looks so good. Okay, we love you.